This is my first time doing actually, this is my first time even wearing makeup on my channel. So this is gonna be a first. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Kate, and I'm really happy you clicked on my profile. Today's video is gonna be something that I really haven't done before. I don't even think I've worn makeup on my channel, so that's a start. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do this dewy, natural spring look using mostly drugstore products, minus like 2, but they're interchangeable, so it's all good. I'm really excited, and let's get into it. Dexter! I guess he wants to be out. Buddy! Oh, and he's in. You want ups? I just didn't want to start if he was out of the room, because then he will try to get in the middle of my video. Let's get into it. Let's get started. First things first, primer. I use the Maybelline Baby Skin. I've tried a lot of drugstore primers, and this one is just like my absolute favorite. I'm very oily, and it doesn't make me oily. It goes on like butter, and it feels so good on my skin and provides a very good foundation. And it's so affordable, and you can get it anywhere. Okay, I need to shut up now. Okay. While the primer is priming my skin, I do my brows. So this is just the LA Colors. I'm not too picky about the brows, so I just kind of get whatever product. I have not mastered doing my makeup on camera. Actually, I haven't even mastered doing my makeup in general. So I'm gonna be like just using this little cracked mirror to help me out. So the thing is, to any little boy or girl, or to any little human that is getting into makeup, and I'm only saying this because I had this issue, everyone's eyebrows are different, so don't stress too much about getting this perfect shape, you know, if you don't have it. So for example, my eyebrows are just kind of like, and for the longest time when I was younger, I tried making them have this huge arch because, you know, all the beauty people on YouTube, they have these amazing eyebrows, and I mean, if I could do them like professionally and nicely, then it's like, go for it. But just don't stress it. Just work with what you have, and don't stress too much about creating a whole new eyebrow. Fill in the areas that you feel like need to be filled in, and I think it looks much. I'm not telling you, like, you know, I'm just saying, if you're struggling with your eyebrows, because I just know from experience my whole life, for many years I did, it's okay. Just work with what you have, and I promise you it'll look way better than trying to create a shape that doesn't exist. So that's that. That's all I do, and I'm gonna go in and do this side, and I'm just gonna speed it up because you guys don't care. All right, so there we go. There we have it. They're not perfect, but gotta work with what you have. What's next? What's next? Okay, so usually if I'm doing a look that has any type of glitter, I do my eyes before I do my face, just so when the glitter falls, I can just cover it up in the end. I kind of learned that just from being in dance and cheer my whole life, always having glittery makeup. That's just preference. Again, everything I'm doing is just preference, so don't take it like I really have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just telling you guys what I do. I'm gonna go in with this multi-use concealer by Maybelline, and I'm gonna put this on my eyes. So like I said, I'm not a makeup person. I really don't own that much makeup, but I do own this tiny little bite-sized eyeshadow by e.l.f. I think the purplish pinkish looks really good with hazel eyes, even though my eyes look just brown right now. I'm gonna be using this. It was like $3, super affordable. So I'm gonna go in with this nude-ish pink, and I'm gonna put that all over my lids. And then with the same color, I'm just gonna do my lower lash line and do just a little bit of a, can't talk, and just do a little bit of a layer under my eyes. Okay, so that's that so far. All right, so now this palette has this darker color on the end, so we're gonna use that to do the inner corners. I honestly wish I had a better eyeshadow brush, but it seems like I only have two. And none of them really work for this. At this point in time, I really wish I still lived with my sisters because then I could just go and take one of theirs, but I don't, so we're just gonna try to make it work. Oh, perfect! I found another brush. Okay, anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go in with this darker color on the end and this nudish color that I was using for the lid, just because I don't want the dark color to be too dark. It's not gonna look perfect, but just wait, just wait. With that darker color, I'm gonna go and just do right here. So then with that darker color, again, I'm just gonna go and do under my eye to kind of like tie it in just on the outer corners. So now using this palette, I'm gonna go in with this brown. This is the Zodiac palette. So I'm gonna go in with the Taurus, which is just the brown. I'm gonna go back in with this e.l.f. palette and I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna use this coppery reddish color and I'm gonna put that on my lids for some sparkle. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Again, with that sparkly coppery color, I'm gonna go in and just do under my eyes, but just the inner corners. Next up, we're gonna go in with the face. So this is the only product that I use that's not, actually, this is the only product that I own that's not drugstore. And it is the Laura Mercier foundation, or actually it's tinted moisturizer, oil-free. I'm gonna spray the brush a little bit with some setting spray. And this is the NYX Radiant Finish setting spray. Also, if you guys can see, I have some breakouts going on right there, which is kind of rare because it's not even that time of the month, but I guess my habits have just not been healthy. But I'm gonna show you guys what I do about that. But for right now, I'm just gonna apply my tinted moisturizer like normal, and then I'll focus on those spots after. Yeah? What'd he say? I'm just kidding. No, you could come in. Say we were all trying to go to Anaheim, but I don't really care. I don't mind.
Is in Anaheim.
Yeah, I'm down. Tell me.
Alright, how many heads is...
10 max.
That's 8. I think we have 8.
Okay, that's fine. Okay guys, so if you don't already know, I made a cutting my hair video into like a shaggy, longer mullet, and it was really bad. It was horrible. But the other day, Brad Mondo, not only did he review it, because I was like, okay, maybe he'll see it, maybe he'll review it, but he followed it in a video. If you haven't already seen it, go check it out. I was freaking out. I thought that shit was so crazy, but here's the thing. I have yet to watch it. It's been 4 days. I did comment on it and I was like, oh, I'm honored, whatever, but I have yet to watch it. One, because I find it so cringy to watch myself over and over again. I can't rewatch my own videos, let alone watch someone watch me. Like, I can't with that whole idea. So I made my boyfriend watch it just to tell me, like, you know, some highlights of it. Anyways, where I'm going with this was someone commented on my video and saying you should do a reaction video to Brad Mondo copying your haircut, and I thought that that idea was so amazing. I think I'm gonna do a reaction video to it and it will be super authentic because I have yet to watch the video. Let me know if that sounds like a cool idea. I don't know. I just think it'd be really funny, and I really have no idea how the video went. I don't know why I am the way I am. So I try not to freak out too much about pimples before I start my makeup. I usually do my makeup like normal, and then at the end, if there is some that need extra attention, then I'll give that attention. But if you try to do too much at the beginning, at least personally, I end up just making it worse. So there we go. I put the tinted moisturizer. It covered the redness. So all I would probably need to do is go over it with some concealer, which I will do right now. So again, I'm just using the Maybelline. I am just gonna dab exactly where the pimples are, like this. Pimples are not the end of the world. I guarantee you half the time people don't even notice them. People don't really notice a lot about what you think that they do about yourself. Try not to stress it. I know it's really hard. I used to get bad breakouts on my chin and mostly on my forehead. Everyone gets pimples, and if you don't, you're really fucking lucky, but majority of the people get pimples or have at some point of their life, and it's okay. It's not really a big deal. So don't stress it if you have them. It's life. Next, I'm gonna go in with bronzer. So this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Okay, so here's another thing that I've learned from trying to get better at makeup. This is mostly goes for when I was younger, but I would watch a lot of makeup tutorials, and you know, they would bake, they would contour and all this stuff. It's all about really knowing your face because everyone has different size faces, different shape. What works for one person, just like anything in life, might not work for you. It might, but it might not. One thing that helped me a lot was just finding what works for my own face. Kind of went a little overboard there, so it's like blended out. So I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint in Puff. This is also another product that's not drugstore, but it's the Benefit Watts Up. I've had this for years. And then Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Highlight. Fuck. I'm just remembering someone said in my last video that I need to look at the camera lens more instead of myself, which has been a huge problem for me. Even my professors tell me, because I'm in school for like entertainment and being on camera. So it's a huge thing that I struggle with because it comes natural more to look at myself, especially when I'm doing makeup though. But I'm sorry, I'm realizing this halfway through. I'm gonna use a NYX setting powder, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I think this is in the shade light medium. I'm gonna use my egg. What do they call this? Baking? Do they call this baking? I'm not too sure how you do this. I'm probably doing it wrong. That is gonna just sit on my face for a little bit. Hey, I'm filming. What's up?
You're gonna have to safety pin this for me, okay?
It doesn't fit?
My nips literally pop out. It's like it goes so like hi. Unless you sew it, it'll fit.
Oh wait guys, so I'm gonna take this off. I feel like it's been on for too long. Fuck.
What are you filming?
My makeup.
Oh.
I'll just give you another top.
No,
it's gonna look stupid safety pinned.
Not if you safety pin at the bottom, like from the inside.
Let me see, because you're like going like that. Sorry guys, Aaron called. Oh my gosh, my camera's gonna die. Okay, I just need to put on mascara and then we should be good to go. I only put mascara on the ends to make my lashes look long, but that's it. Okay guys, my camera's gonna die and I don't want to miss the ending, so I'm gonna finish up this lash, change, put some setting spray on, and then I'll show you guys the final result, okay? I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay, so I just changed, and last but not least, lipstick. So this is the NYX Professional Lip Pencil in Natural, and I'm just gonna kind of use this as my lipstick. And then I just use this. Okay, I wouldn't call this makeup, but maybe just like hacks to glow. This is the Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer. Usually if I'm wearing an open top like this, which most of the time I'm always wearing like a low cut v-neck. It's like my favorite type of shirts. I'll just do some glitter on my collarbones and some right here where the sun's gonna hit my shoulders. I'll just kind of rub that in. And then this is the Le Beach from Urban Outfitters. It's the Fresh Body Mist, but it's very sparkly. I'll just spray some on my arms. And it kind of smells good too, so. And this will just kind of make me shine. I'm done. I'm done. Woo! That only took me 2 hours. I'm just kidding. No. All right, guys, so that is it. I am done. This is the final look. I'm kind of shocked. I'm really surprised considering that I don't do makeup. This is probably the first time I've done eyeshadow in, I don't know. I really can't even remember, so I'm really shocked that it actually looks somewhat decent. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm really, like, I'm serious. I know a lot of people say that, but, like, really, let me know what you guys want to see next, because I need some ideas. But someone said skincare, so I'll probably do my skincare routine in my next video. But we'll see. All right, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.